You desperately want to look like her. You look nothing like your mother. You look everything like your mother. Your mother is a woman, and women like her cannot be contained.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. This is the recipe for my homemade lotion. All of the ingredients and benefits can be found in the description box. I'll start with organic shea butter. I'll be using half a pound. I'll keep the other half for my next batch. I like to cut the shea butter into small pieces. It just makes it easier to melt. I don't have a double boiler, so I heat up water and pour it. I leave the heat on low for about 20 minutes. I'll be using avocado oil. I'll pour 1 cup. And I'll add neem oil. This oil smells really bad, so a little goes a long way. Make sure to mix it throughout. Then seal and leave it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, I leave it out for about 2 hours, and this is the texture you want. I'll be adding vanilla essential oil. I like to use this brand. It's made to add smells to soaps, lotion, perfumes, etc. and it's very strong. Because I added neem oil, I like to add a lot of this to hide the smell, and vanilla makes me feel so relaxed. After a good mix, add the lotion to a plastic bag to help pour it into the lotion bottle. I like to use a glass bottle just because of all the chemicals, in the plastic bottles. When your lotion's sitting in it for a while, it makes your hormones imbalance. So the glass bottle just feels more secure to me. I got this off of Amazon. I twist the top of the bag and cut one of the ends to pour it in the bottle. This mixture is very greasy, so if you want it to be less greasy, you can add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder. It will absorb the oil. I personally like it greasy because I use this lotion before bed. It's part of my nighttime routine. Well, I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Girl, if you're a black 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 girl, do your thing.